G'day guys, going to be doing my videos a little bit differently. I'm going to put out one video a month, but in that one video what I'm going to be doing is pretty much all the trips that I do for the month, putting them into one video, and you'll be able to go into the description and see the different times where each sort of place is. Today I'm running a gold rat 8-inch river sluice. Got some VMAT up here at the top, and just been feeding probably about 4 or 5 shovels in. Seems to be clearing off pretty well. The cells are got some darkish material, so hopefully the heavies. Got probably just enough water. Don't really know what the angle's set at, but probably around 7 or 8 degrees. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this. Won't film myself digging or anything like that today. What I'll do is probably put another 10 or 15 shovels through, give it a clean out, show you the gold, and then after this I suppose you'll probably be seeing a different place. Alright, back soon. Alright guys, just clean the river sluice out. There's, I don't know, 15 little bits. One sort of nice a little bit there, and some little smaller bits there. That's not too bad for Warrandyte. Happy with that. Alright, off in a few days to the next location, and hopefully it's a good couple of trips. Just down at Sailors Falls. Just going up with the kids. Had the wife with us, but she's decided to stay up top. So we're just, yeah, just making our way to the base of one of the falls. Alright, we've made it to the base of the falls here with me 2 girls. Not a really high waterfall, but it's pretty reasonable. And just around that corner there's a second waterfall that runs over here. Nice little area to come with the kids, or the family I should say. And further down that way, probably about a half kilometre, you can do a bit of prospecting, get some gems and get some gold. Alright, there's a little look at Sailors Falls in Dalesford. Worth a trip out here, out in the goldfields of Victoria. Alright, just a bit of a look from the top. This is the waterfall that we're at the base of. And this is the second little waterfall here. We had a bit more water flow. They look a lot better. Thought we might have had that, but surprising how quickly it's dropped off. Alright, that's Sailors Falls, Dalesford. G'day guys, down at Creswick today. Been here a few times, got some nice colour out of here. The last time I come down, someone was prospecting here, and they've pretty much smashed the place. Like pretty much from the top of the screens all been dug out, all the way along here, all the way along there, all that. Where I actually started prospecting was right here in their tailings pile. So pretty much they've filled the place with their tailings. Probably the best spot to dig, but unknown to them. But I've some have dubbed this Murray's Corner. But I've captured it today, so we'll see what we can get out of here. Right guys, I'll just show you this spray bar in action. I'm going to try and do this one-handed, so it's going to be interesting. That's pretty crap, wasn't it? Alright, been digging and not filming, so it's going to be fun one-handed. As you can see, fairly decent sized shovel. All the material gets washed, nothing coming out the end. See if we can grab another one. No, good. Alright, I haven't cleaned any of those rocks out yet. Throw another shovel in. Probably going to drop the angle off a little bit, as I've got it set up on the lowest point, but I've got rubber stoppers, so I might remove them and play around and adjust it. Been running this for a fair few hours, and pump still seems to be going good. That's clearing out pretty damn well. Most of my goals actually today been getting caught in the miner's moss. I've just been cleaning that out every 50 odd shovels. But yeah, not too bad. Totally wrapped with the way this thing's working with the spray bar. With the two of them, my two 1100 gallon litre pumps are down here in the bucket. And got a bit of colour. I'll tuck it on at the end when I get home. Not going to process anything here. Got a little container over there with some cons, and do that when I get home. Okay, this is the cleanup from Creswick. Just focusing on this little bit of gold here. It's perfectly round with, you know, look, it's got some little indents, but otherwise, yeah, it's a perfect little sphere. Now, the rest of the gold's just up here. So, yeah, it didn't do too bad. Alright. Back with the next trip soon. Alright, just down at Warrandyte with the 8-inch river sluice. Just working an area just over here that's up against the bedrock. Really probably need an extension or something to get into that crack, but doesn't matter. I'll just work this little area and see if we can get a little bit of colour. Not expecting a great deal, but more just to get out and just have a little tiny dig. Don't really see any gold, but that's to be expected down here. Alright guys, this is the clean-up from today. Probably spent about an hour just farting around more than anything. Got one nice bit. and caught a few little ones, so not too bad. Alright, off to the next adventure. Alright guys, just putting an end to the trips I've done in June. Plan to do some more. It's only looking like possibly one in July and that'll be it, but hope you have enjoyed the few trips I've done in June and put them all together and kept them pretty short. So till the next one, catch us all later.